Halloween. What if you wore these in the courtroom? Show the jury, hey, I'm playful.
Cam, I'm an attorney, not Bugs Bunny trying to hide on a train.
I'm ready.
There's Waldo.
I think I'm gonna win the costume contest.
Hey, now, honey, it's not important if you win. It's just for fun. Picture.
But it's more fun if you win. No offense, Daddy.
You know, Lily's been letting me know recently that she's feeling neglected. I think it's because of all my football stuff. That's why I went all out on her costume. Look how incredibly accurate it is. Where is that little guy? Come on, come to me. Come on. Here you go.